Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, today morning Bitcoin did actually go down and retest close to 96,000, but it was able to rebound and now consolidating just above the price of 97.6. Just to give you perspective, as long as Bitcoin is able to sustain this price, it will be able to change the sentiment of the entire crypto market into positive, and maybe the inflow from ETFs will go explosive. What I'm trying to say is between 96 and 99, this is a demand zone. As long as Bitcoin is able to sustain this price, most of the altcoins will have a lay-by to actually show some good results. Well, that's when you come in. You need to make sure that you're able to invest in your favorite coin and you're able to make good profit when the market starts climbing. Now, to give you one token which I have been paying attention to is Best Wallet. Now, this token in simple terms is pretty much a wallet token. There is a new wallet that's in town which is called Best Wallet. It's already on Google Play and App Store and it's doing incredibly well. Now they're releasing their own token, and let me tell you, it's still in a pre-sale stage and the pre-sale is coming to an end very soon. After that, the token will be going live, and let me tell you one thing, there will be a lot of people that want to buy this token, and the reason for this is because the amount of benefits that you will receive if you purchase this token with the actual wallet. Now let's look at this. Early access to new project. So Best Wallet monthly growth puts us on track to capture 40% of 11 billion wallet market by 2026. They want to give early access to new project, reduce transaction fee, higher staking rewards, and community governance. So if you have, a little bit of the best token, you will be able to get access to these things. They have already been recommended on 9Bitcoin, Coin Intergraph, Crypto News, Technopedia, Bitcoinalist. So there is a lot of different ones that are going to be talking about this thing. Now, the Best Wallet ecosystem, they support over 60 plus chains. At the same time, you will be able to do the basic, which is buy, store, deposit, send, swap, sell, manage portfolio, stake, and spend. Now, what's the craziest bit that's actually coming out very soon? I personally feel like I've never seen this for a wallet unless it's a centralized exchange like crypto.com, but it's going to be a best card. It's pretty much a debit card that you can actually use wherever you want, like Visa or MasterCard, and that you will be spending your crypto. But this will be connected to Best Wallet, which it does not require KYC. So this will be very interesting to see how well it plays out. This is their roadmap. Right now they are on phase 2. So get the support to the 60 chain, advanced anti-fraud protection, best card launch, limit orders and stop order losses, and that is going to be the key game changer. Now, trusted by a lot of users worldwide, and they are going to be also having an airdrop. Talking about staking, now if you guys want to purchase this token, you can buy it right now and actually stake it away for a return of 185% per annum. Keep in mind, as more and more people are going to be buying into this token, this return will definitely go down slowly, so getting in early would be a good option. Also, their Twitter is verified with the gold tick, so it's not just the blue tick. At the same time, they have about 43,000 followers, and they are getting a decent amount of reach as well. About 23,000 views on the Best Wallet is live post, which was only done like 2 days ago, and they are definitely getting a good reach, with their Telegram having about 28,000 members, and their audit has been completed, and you can see that there is no problems with the audit, so this token wallet is ready to go. At the same time, I do want to mention, at the end of the day, these are still cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my opinion. Do your own research because it's your money that you're putting in. At the end of the day, make sure you guys know what exactly you're putting your money into. But overall idea of what they're trying to create is definitely something that has potential to do well once the market starts climbing. Personally, I like to invest in pre-sales due to the fact if the market goes sideways or down, you don't need to worry because the pre-sale, until it does not come to an end, the market is not going to be affecting the pre-sale price. Right now, the price is one best is about 2.3 cents. Now, if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. It will just bring you to this website. You can just select buy with card or crypto, and then you can just connect your wallet that you use. If you use Best Wallet, once it's connected, you guys can just decide how much USDT you would like to allocate to Best token. Buy it. Don't forget to stake it so you can get a return as you're waiting for the pre-sale to come to an end. February is going to be a good month, and this would be a perfect beginning. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.